everybody, so in this video we're going to be defining the term erythroblastosis fetalis. So as we know, we have a Rh antigen. Antigens are basically the ones which lies on the surface of RBC which affects the type of blood. So we have our H factor, which is an antigen. It is of two types. If we have Rh antigen in our blood, then we call it positive Rh antigen, and if we don't, we call it negative Rh antigen. Now let's get this thing important that Rh positive antigen, just like the other antigens, can receive blood from Rh negative as well as Rh positive, but can only donate to Rh positive. While for Rh negative antigen, it's the opposite. It can donate Rh positive and Rh negative, but can only receive from negative. So imagine a mother who is pregnant, but the mother is Rh negative, that is, she doesn't have the Rh antigen in her, and the fetus, which is a baby in a womb, is Rh positive. Now again, let's recap what I said because you might get confused. Rh positive can only Rh negative can only receive blood from Rh negative. So as you know, there's an exchange of blood of substances from the mother to the fetus. Well, in the first pregnancy, there's no such exchange of blood. Exchange of blood here, if there's exchange of blood, again, Rh negative can only receive blood from Rh negative. So if the blood intermixes, it will be a problem for the mother. So in the first pregnancy, there's no such intermixing of blood. It's completely safe because there's a placenta in between, which prevents the blood from mixing. But when after the delivery, when the baby is removed from the womb, there's a little intermixing of blood where Rh positive blood of the fetus intermixes with the Rh negative blood of the mother. So after this, the body produces anti Rh bodies so that it can remove the Rh positive blood which came from the fetus, so that it doesn't affect the mother. And now you all will ask, that's a good thing, right? What's the problem? But during the second and third pregnancy, it can affect the child, because again as I said, it releases antigens, right? The body releases antibodies, Rh antibodies, to remove the extra Rh negative blood that was left, that was intermixed. So it can affect the child after the second or third pregnancy, and it can result to hemolysis of the blood of the fetus, and again a lot of problem in the development. So this phenomena is known as erythroblastosis fetalis, this Rh incompatibility. But to avoid that, how can we avoid that? Immediately after delivery, the doctor can provide anti Rh factor injections. This term is basically like to remove the antibodies against Rh that were produced against negative Rh, to remove that, so that the second or the third pregnancy is much safer. That's it. Thank you.